Adjust the torso tube to make sure the hip belt stays at your waist and the actuators align with your shoulders. Your EVO can be used with different lower tubes to fit a range of individuals. Using the torso measurement we took before, find your recommended lower tube and upper tube setting in the user manual. If you need to change the lower tube, press the bottom silver button to release it from the lug. Then press the upper silver button to release it from the upper torso tube. Install the desired lower tube by pressing the silver button and sliding it into the upper tube. Then install the tube assembly into the lug. Adjust the height of the torso tube by pressing in the silver button and sliding it to the right length for you. The recommended setting for me is 5. Make sure the tube is fully seated and secure in the lug. Repeat with the other side.